Hey you guys, welcome to another episode of this on our show. Tales of Lilia 2 is coming out August the 19th. I beat part 1 already. I got beat Mila's story now. But right now I'm kind of playing Tales of Historia Chronicles. Well, Tales of Historia 2 Dawn of Dreams, or Dawn of Dre, whatever we call it. I don't know, I forgot what the subtitle was to that damn game, but yeah, I'm looking forward to this title. I love Tales of Lilia. The battle system is just amazing. If you have not played that, you are not an RPG fan. You are not a JRPG fan. You have not played the first Tales of Lilia. It's just that damn good. One of the best RPGs I've played in years. One of the best RPGs on the damn PS3. But yeah, this game is, the game is so damn, it's like two stories. It's so damn fun. But like I said, I got played Mila, and a lot of people say that it don't matter if you play Mila or Jude. If it ain't that big ain't no big difference between the two, but you already see some shit that you ain't seen before. But I really don't care. I want to see every goddamn thing I got to do with the game. The link sensor is amazing. Only problem is, I hated the fact that I ran out of MP so goddamn fast. But other than that, it's a pretty great game. The story was decent. The characters were likable. Only thing, actually all the characters were likable. Voiceovers were pretty solid. I totally loved it. It was a great experience. I hope part 2 don't let me down, but hopefully, due to what I seen, it look amazing. Well, due to the trailers I seen, the gameplay I seen, look very amazing, like some type of Devil May Cry type thing with Tailstone in it. But I don't know, all my old characters returning with two new characters in it. So it looks like we're going to have a damn blast with this. But anyway, till you guys think, make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.